So, you're a broke teenager, or just a broke person in general, and so you clicked on a video made by a 16-year-old. Don't worry, I'll teach you how to make $500 in this video.
Stop it. Get some help.
Hey, what is up, people? It's your boy Ishan back here with another video, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make $500. That's right, 500, boys. I know it's not enough to cop the Lambo or buy a house in the hills, but don't worry, boys. It's enough to start doing whatever you want to, or splurge on whatever you want to, like those Gucci wallets, Gucci shirts, Supreme. Doesn't matter. But in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact step-by-step process how you can make $500 in such a simple way that's just gonna blow your mind. You guys ready for this? Let's get rolling. Let's get popping. So you might be thinking, hey man, this kid Ishan Sprite is gonna tell me to get a job. Well, you're wrong. Guess what? There's a simpler, easier way than getting a job. Job's too hard. You know, we gotta make that dough quick and easy. And so I'm gonna show you this real simple way that requires minimum effort on your part that's gonna allow you to make 500 in a matter of a few days or even a couple weeks. So get ready, and remember, I will be also sharing the secret plan, the secret trick and tip that no one's going to tell you on how to sell and how to make those $500. So stay tuned till the end of the video. I don't want you just watching it and going away. You know, it's good for my YouTube ads so more people get to watch it, but it's also beneficial for you. So you guys better stay tuned, okay? Here's it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, so the secret is selling on Facebook Marketplace and selling on Craigslist. That's it, boys. Selling on Facebook and selling on Craigslist. Now you might be like, yo, what am I supposed to sell? Yo. Guess what? Look around your house. Ask your parents. Know what is around your house that you don't need, and put it up onto sell. Okay. So as an example, I am currently in the process of selling a couch, a football table, an elliptical, and my TV. And I know my TV. But guess what, boys? We got that Netflix and we got that phone, so we don't get a TV. And for all of you guys, maybe older people watching it,
Okay.
yeah, it's a new generation. We kids like to use their phones and iPads. So the total value of what I plan to sell will essentially bring me in about $500 to $700, which I further plan to invest in the stock market, which I'll go on further about how to utilize that money at the end. But essentially, Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist is a great way to actually start building a steady stream of income. I know you guys might be thinking how a steady stream, but if you guys can continuously keep finding things to sell in your house that you don't need, or even in fact asking your friends. Let's say your friends have something they don't need, right? Tell your friend, be like, yo, do you got anything you don't need? I'll be willing to take it, right? Go around town, you know, ask your friends, ask your neighbors, you know, say, oh, you have a couch, you don't need it, okay, I'll take it. You know, you can maybe negotiate $5, $10, or even if they're willing to give it free. Take these opportunities, go to garage sales, perfect places to capture and buy things that people don't really need and are willing to sell at a bargain, which you can later go on to resell on Facebook Marketplace and on Craigslist. But it seems pretty simple, but there is that one secret thing that I told you about at the start of the video, which I'm going to tell you right now. So that one secret tip that I was going to tell you about is to have a catchy headline. Okay, like I see a lot I always scroll through Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist and see people just saying couch for sale, you know, guitar for sale. Like, let me give you an example. Would you guys rather buy a shirt that's on sale that says t-shirt for sale, or would you rather buy something advertises silky smooth and high quality shirt made from premium materials on sale? You guys gotta fluff it up. Just like in school, when you guys write those English and social projects, you just gotta fluff it up with that big vocabulary and make it seem good. I know this might seem like simple and self-explanatory as something you must be doing, but trust me, there's so many people out there that just write simple headlines and never end up selling anything because they just write a simple thing and don't stand out. You need to stand out. It's just like running Facebook ads. You need to stand out somehow. You can't just look like exactly like the crowd. Something about you has to be unique and different. So write something in your headline as something catchy and have a solid price. Don't overestimate how much you can charge people, okay? Stay reasonable. I see a lot of people trying to go way too high, like trying to sell like maybe like a table that's like, you know, like a real small table for like $10,000. I mean, like $500, okay, let's say. And then, you know, they end up not making the sale. Well, you know, boys, that's tough. You gotta be reasonable, try getting a fixed price, and be open to negotiating, but at the same time, don't go too low, okay? Know your value, know the value of your product, and make sure you're profitable. Because let's say you're buying from garage sale, you don't want to end up losing money. So be smart and follow these key tips if you want to make those 500s real quick. So the next step that I talked about is investing your money. So for all of you guys who don't know me, my name's Ishan. I know I introduced myself, boys, but essentially I go through stock trading and how to trade in the stock market for teenagers and everyone in general. Okay, my channel's mainly focused on stock trading and e-commerce, but you know, if you're interested in investing your money and really growing it further, I would suggest you guys subscribe and stay tuned, because I'm not like any of those other YouTube stock trading gurus. They're just here to sell you a course. I'm a 16-year-old boy, I'm still learning, and I still plan to learn. And so I'm just here to share tips and help beginners like me who are in my place, who don't really understand how to invest their money and how to grow their money, to learn more about the stock market and ways they can take that 500 you might be making and turn it into 1,000, right? So at the end of the day, boys, we try to make that money, we try to cop that Lambo, and we try to move out to the hills. And how are you gonna do that if you don't grow your money, right? So, you know, subscribe, stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found some valuable information on how to, you know, sell on Facebook Marketplace and how to sell on Craigslist. Okay, remember the key things: find a good solid product. Make sure you got a good headline up too, guys. Okay, look around, go to your friends, go to garage sales, buy things that people are willing to underball and sell for a low price, and sell it for higher in Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. That's it for me. I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe and let me know down below how much money you plan to make to cop that Lambo. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Peace, peace, peace.